To a primetime news follow-up now. The leader of the Quahal Yahweh religious group in St. James, Omar Thompson, has broken his silence on the raid of his compound. He took to social media where he accused the authorities of victimization.
23 children and 15 adults were removed from the compound in Paradise District following allegations of child abuse. The police have since revealed that persons will be charged in connection with the incident. But in a post on social media site TikTok, the leader hit back, claiming that for the last 3 years, he and members of his congregation have been terrorized by the security forces.
You have broken into my home instead of asking to enter time and time again. My children have been traumatized by you, yet you say you are here to help.
The Child Protection and Family Services Agency, CPFSA, has also been working closely with the police in their investigations. This amid reports that the children are being abused and are being forced into marriage. There are also concerns about their education. The group leader did not address the allegations of abuse, but was adamant that the children's education is not in jeopardy. He also dismissed claims the school is not recognized.
You said you don't know our school. So how then would we receive correspondence from the ministry acknowledging us as a school? How is it that we have proof of GSAT passes recorded in your system?
He's also accusing law enforcement of treating him and his members as if they have no rights.
You come searching our dwelling place for illegal firearms and you found none. You come searching our dwelling place for scamming papers, scamming documents, and illegal documents, and you found none. Yet you continued to terrorize my home.
It's not the first time the security forces have swooped down on the property, and it's not clear if Wednesday's operation will be the last. Residents living near the church, however, believe that based on a number of factors, it should be constantly monitored by the authorities. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.